My name is Jim. I'm in my mid-50s and I've decided to fulfill my lifelong dream of learning to fly. These are the highlights from my lessons.
Branson Tower, November 82990 Lima. We are at the Jet Center ready to taxi to go out west.
8290 Lima, Branson 14, be a Charlie Alpha, hold short, and let me know when you're ready to go.
All right, here we go. Mag check. We're going to go to the right, 2 clicks.
Crossing RPM.
Stop. Back to both. Left. Back to both.
All right, so you're cleared to go. Keep it right there.
All right. Get it straight up here.
Hand on the yoke. Position.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Here we go. A little bit more nose down. Just keep it right about there. Right rudder. There you go. Just like that. There you go. A little bit of crosswind.
That was a wind. Woo. Wow, it's way bumpier than it's been before.
There you go. Alright, let's do our right bound turn.
Say that
West.
again?
So right turn to the west.
Okay.
There you go. That's good. Alright, we'll go up to 3,500, do some maneuvering.
Wow, it's way bumpier than it's been before. today, aren't we?
A little bit. Let me know when you're ready for a maneuver.
What do you want to do first?
Let's do slow flight.
Alright. Did you move that to our heading you want to go to, or where
Yep.
we were?
So once we hit that, we'll do another 90-degree turn to the right. Hopefully we can avoid this cloud over here. We might have to do a little further than 90 to the right. Ah, that'll work. Alright, right there.
Alright, here we go.
So make sure you're at the altitude that you want to be at. So 3,500 or we can start at 3,700. That's up.
Okay.
In the white arc, first notch flaps. Don't let the nose fall.
On.
Oh, not too much. Alright. I'd bring in a little bit more power. Now second notch flaps. There you go. A little bit more power. A little bit of nose down. Third notch flaps. Bring the nose down a little bit. There you go. A little slow here.
Okay, we're down to 60.
Alright, let's pitch for 65. 65.
Oh, 65.
There you go.
Flow downtown traffic, temperature 896 northwest over Silver City, 1,900. Eastbound for the strip, collecting down.
There you go, that's good. A little bit more power, just a touch. Just a touch. Right there. See how we're slightly slower when trying to maintain altitude?
Alright.
That's what that extra power is for, so we can maintain altitude at the right speed.
Okay.
So now that we're getting back up to altitude, we can relax the nose just a hair. Get us back to 65 knots. Just a little bit. You might have to go a little bit more power in. Just a little. There you go. Alright, let's do a left turn. We'll go back 210. We don't fly through any clouds. Now remember, pitch for airspeed, power for altitude. A real slow turn, and we want it to be slow. Otherwise we could stall. We'll do like 330. A little bit of right rudder. Alright, cool. At 3600, go ahead and recover the airplane.
Alright, so we're gonna give her full power, then start releasing the flaps, right?
Yep, while maintaining altitude. There you go. Alright, so pick a visual reference, something on the distance.
Alright, we're gonna use that white dot, whatever that thing is.
Alright, we'll keep the nose on that throughout the maneuver. go ahead and bring the power back to 1700 RPM, like we're in the landing phase.
We'll run through traffic, mall 3901.
Now introduce flaps in the white arc. I'll let the nose rise. Alright, second notch flaps.
I'm already there, actually.
Third notch flaps. Third notch flaps. Nose down just a little bit. I'll bring the power out. I'll establish a slight descent. I'll flare as if you're landing. There you go. Bring the nose up to the horizon. A little bit of left rudder. There you go. There you go. Get back. Right. There you go. Now recover. Full power. Right rudder. Right rudder. Fill the stall. There you go.
Yeah.
Now positive rate. Watch here. And then bring flaps up once you got a positive rate. There you go. Keep it up. Up. There you go. So we want to establish a positive rate of climb before we bring the flaps out.
Alright.
Alright? So before you bring the flaps out, make sure that we're climbing first. Otherwise, they're pretty good. Just need to control the rudders on that.
Tis the season, I guess. Come
Hey,
back out. Thanks so much. Stop traffic.
It's bumpy.
Clark downtown, Cessna 8290 Lima, passing over the field at 3000, Clark downtown. Branson Tower, Cessna 8290 Lima, 6 miles to your north, about full stop.
8290 Lima, Branson, altimeter now 3018, runway 14, clear to land.
3018, 14 clear to land, 3 Cessna 90. Oh, that was a good one.
That was a good one.
You want to take this landing?
Part of learning to fly is making good decisions. Someday I will need to make these difficult crosswind landings, but today is not that day.
There's 2 red. Yep. Runway is made. Bit bumpy, left crosswind. That's okay. Apply right rudder. Left aileron. Just to keep us on the center line. I will hold it off. Just like that.